guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. You are amazing. So I'm so excited because we're in the last month of 2020, you guys. God has been so faithful. We are alive, healthy, and we thank God for that. So today is 8th of December and I've just decided to start Vlogmas. Yes, a week later. So yes, I'll be sharing a video every single day until 25th or 24th, until Christmas, let's say that. So please stay tuned. If you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It's free of charge. Go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. So today's video is very simple. I'm just going to share a healthier way to make your sauteed potatoes without deep frying. Can you imagine, guys? So let's get into the video.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh.
To blend everything together, I have tomatoes, ginger, dhania, hoho, and onions.
It's hopeless when you think that you lost. Oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to.
So at this point, I let it to simmer for a while and allow most of the water to evaporate before I add oil and salt.
Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna.
So I learned this method from my friend Flo. So shout out to you, Missy. Thank you so much for teaching me this.
From the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing.
Crunchy on the outside and soft inside. And the sauce is so good. So guys, make sure you go ahead and try out this recipe. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never